Well, it's a hell of a start to the season for the Chicago Bulls, as they are one of 3 teams remaining undefeated in the NBA so far this season at 5-0. It's the Bulls, the OKC Thunder, and the San Antonio Spurs. The only 3 undefeated teams remaining in the league. The Chicago Bulls, who was led by Josh Giddey, who had damn near triple-double, 32, 10, and 9. And this is a guy in Josh Giddey who the Bulls pretty much was giving hell this offseason by giving a contract. He was seeking one number, and the Chicago Bulls were absolutely not trying to come close to that number, but they finally came up on a deal. The Chicago Bulls, of course, they've gotten rid of Zach LaVine. They've gotten rid of DeMar DeRozan. Lonzo is no longer in Chicago, and they have tried to trade Nikola Vucevic, who still remains with the Chicago Bulls. Despite all of that, these young guys have stepped up, and they've started the season 5-0 for the first time in a while.